Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another exciting episode of iDeviceGuide. This is Punit Khatri back with another video. So guys, finally iOS 13 beta 1 is out there for the registered developers under Apple's Apple Developer Program. And I definitely know you would be pretty excited to get that iOS 13 beta version on your iPhone. So you can experience the all new iOS 13, which is going to be available to the public in mid-September or late September, but you get the opportunity to install it right now on your iPhones. So this video we are going to talk about how to go ahead and install iOS 13 beta 1 without registered developer ID. So you do not have to pay the $99 fees for the registered Apple Developer Program. Without even doing that, you can definitely go ahead and install iOS 13 on your iPhone right now. So guys, without wasting any bit of time, let's get right into this video and see how to go ahead and install iOS 13 on your iPhone without developer account. Alright, so guys, before we get started with this video, I want to inform you one thing, that you do make sure that you take a complete backup of your iPhone, because the thing is, these beta versions that Apple releases to the registered developers, they aren't stable enough and they can definitely crash at any point in time, and I do not want you to lose your data. So guys, there would be a link down below which will walk you through to exact process how to go ahead and take a complete backup of your iPhone either to iTunes or to iCloud. Definitely follow that process before installing iOS 13 on your device. Let's get right into this. So guys, in order to go ahead and get started and install iOS 13 on your iPhone, very first thing what you need to do is connect your iPhone via a lightning cable to your computer. Then there would be link in the description, so go ahead and download these two files. So this is one is the IPSW file for iOS 13 and the second one is Xcode 11 beta. So as I told you, there are a lot of restrictions this year to install the beta program, and that's why you need to have Xcode 11 installed. So that's why you cannot use a Windows computer, you definitely need a Mac in order to go ahead and install iOS 13. Alright, so guys, I have connected my phone over here, so I'll click on this icon over here, go into the summary tab. Now what next you need to do is press and hold the option key and click on check for update. Now it will give you a pop-up to select the IPSW file, so it's on the desktop. I'll select this file and hit open. Alright, so it says iTunes will update your iPhone to iOS 13 and will verify the update with Apple. Definitely, no doubt, go ahead and click on update and just sit back and relax until iTunes completes the entire process and updates your iPhone to iOS 13. So here you can see that your iPhone has been updated and it is restarting. So let's just wait until the iPhone reboots. Alright, so guys, so finally our iPhone has rebooted and it is on. So let me just go inside and let's go check. I'll go into settings, general, about, and boom, there you can see software version 13.0. So finally we have installed iOS 13 on my iPhone 7 Plus. So let's go to display and here you can see I have the dark mode on. Alright, so guys, finally we have successfully installed iOS 13 beta 1 on your iPhone, and I'm pretty excited to know your views of using iOS 13 over the period of time. Definitely, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to give a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or you want to share your views of iOS 13, make sure you comment them down below. I'll be eagerly waiting for your comments to know how is your experience of using iOS 13 beta 1. And guys, definitely over the time when we have the second beta or we have couple of betas, we have the golden master version, I'll keep you updated and how to update to those processes. So like, how do you update from beta 1 to beta 2, from beta 1 to beta 3, or either to golden master or to the public release version? I'll keep you informed, and if you want to stay informed, then definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button down there so you do not miss any video from iDeviceGuide from me. That's about it for this video, and I'll catch you guys later in the next one. Peace out. you.